Hi, my name is Ken Pierce. I'm the Director of Sales at Shadin Avionics. Today I'd like to introduce a new fuel flow transducer designed specifically for turbine engines. The new HX transducer is well suited for turboprop engines with shaft horsepower up to 2,000 and turbofan engines up to approximately 3,000 pounds of force. The updated electronics design allows it to operate to temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. The HX transducer is TSO certified, and we are currently exploring STC solutions to replace legacy fuel flow transducers, as well as new installations. When we pair this device up with the widely used AS380 remote flow, we're able to convert that analog data into RS-232 and ARINC-429 for avionics that cannot accept the fuel flow signals directly. Today, I'd also like to introduce the AS360 inertial adapter, also known as the MAGBAR converter. This solution is required when outdated magnetic variation is present on the aircraft. Through various methods, we are able to apply the correct variation to continue operation of the aircraft with the existing equipment. In some instances where new all-digital AHAR units are installed, where legacy avionics require synchro data, we have an option to install this hardware with an optional synchro card to basically do the ARINC-429 to synchro conversion that's often required for radar or autopilot interfaces. The most recent application for this product was certified to DO-178 Dial A, the most critical offering for this platform. As we're not just the fuel flow guys, Shadin is developing new configurations of the AS product line every year, which enables us to offer more commercial off-the-shelf variants for y'all. See what I did there? Being a Minnesota boy with the O's, I'll have to work on my y'alls, but I'll get it done. Come see us at booth 317. Love to chat with you and say hello. Thank you.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 64th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Dallas, Texas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.